How is the coconut juice, Professor? Good?
Yeah, good. It is good.
Mm. Mm. Very good, Bhaiya. Thank you.
Friend, our friend.
ಇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಊರದ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕುಶಾಲನಗರ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆದ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫೇಮಸ್
Coconut. Coconut.
Dia ngantuk ko yung po.
Bus.
No, po poeter.
ಫೋಟೋ
Kiska. Come on.
Windows. window. Civil.
ಆನ್ ಬಸ್
Ale, oh.
The natural spoon.
Natural spoon.
ಯಾ
Natural spoon. Yes. Wow, Bhaiya.
One, two, three.
Welcome to Kuvempu University. I'm standing here with Dr. Nagesh, and this is his wonderful bike. Thank you so much. You're a great personality. Check on Google. Ask about Dr. Nagesh on Dr. Google. We'll have an interview for 5 minutes very soon. Bye. So, Bhadra Dam. Why is it called as Bhadra Dam, ma'am?
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ this is built on Bhadra river, no?
Uh-huh.
That's why they named after that river as
Oh,
Bhadra.
Wow. So nice. Oh, we are now at Bhadra Dam near the university with Professor Sunita. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay.
It is difficult because my sandals are healed, no? After a long time,
Yes.
it filled. They are beautiful.
Bhadra Dam.
We went there, no? There was no bridge like this, no?
Yeah.
We went there.
This is called come out like that.
Slowly. It's okay. Photo. ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ
Vehicle ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ
ವಾಕಬಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗಬಲ್ಲ
ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಾ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು
ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್
PH
I also thank you all the department.
we send all photos, no? After that.
Yes, yes.
Madam Sidela, you can check. Sir, certain la is something arrested. In our language.
Ashoka tree. Ashoka tree. Ashoka tree.
government of Karnataka, really, they spent a lot of money.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಜಂಗಲ
Yeah. Look at this, yes. Look at this
There is
vast
bridge,
water.
no? One island to that another island.
Yes,
They,
I took a picture. Wow. Wow.
Today we had a good fish curry or something, dry or something. We had.
you had, huh?
What
Yeah,
is-
that is people tree which gives more oxygen
Yeah.
to the environment and
Yeah.
absorb carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
More carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
And it is very dominant tree in India.
Uh-huh.
And the people, every village, they grown this people tree
Yeah.
because of they get oxygen,
Mhm.
fresh air,
Yeah.
like that.
So this tree is called as Chanjup tree in
Tib-
Tibetan,
Tibet,
and under this tree, Lord Buddha got enlightenment.
Yeah,
But
okay,
this
yes.
is now very
like, yes.
small.
Hmm.
It has to grow, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Goats?
Goats, yeah. In
Ah,
your side, Tibetan sides, there are
Ra.
big goats are there, I think.
yes. We call it Ra.
Ra, ra.
In Kannada,
Kannada, meke.
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 Meke. Meh.
Meke.
Goats. And behind us, we see a herd of Meke.
Yeah, meke.
Meke with Professor Sunita.
Yeah.
Look. Ma.
Like that.
Supari. Supari. This is also supari.
Here, this.
Ah.
No, it told me. ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೈ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ದೇರ್
Here. This one. What is it called? What, madam? Yes, safari.
ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್
He already came. Devasa.